7 weather with meteorologist Erika Delgado.
Right, South Florida, warm and humid conditions, especially across the Florida Keys. Miami-Dade and Broward, though, seeing a lot more in the way of 70s. 77 Pompano Beach, Fort Lauderdale, all the way through Hialeah and Miami. 72, though, in Kendall, so not too terrible there. 76 in Homestead. Into the Florida Keys, warmer for all. Lower 80s across the island chain, 82 in Key West and Key Largo, 80 right now in Marathon, where we have seen a few showers skirt the middle Keys, and that's why temperatures have now dropped to 80. We had some showers and storms across the Florida Straits, but those are all moving from east to west, and we'll see if they occasionally skirt the island chain. Miami-Dade and Broward have been quiet so far, but we're starting to see some showers developing in the Atlantic and here across the Bay waters. So we'll see maybe an isolated shower or two this morning, not expecting a whole lot as far as rainfall. We're seeing a lot of thunderstorms, though, across the Bahamas. That's where we find an upper level low once again, bringing some thunderstorms into the region. Now, looking ahead, there's going to be a front that stalls across northern sections of the state, and now the National Hurricane Center is monitoring that area highlighted in yellow because an area of low pressure could form along the front that's going to be stalling there late week. They're giving it about a low chance of developing there right now for between the next 2 to 7 days, but definitely worth something watching. Not a concern for us here in South Florida, but it is worth mentioning because if that low were to develop along that front late week, it could trap moisture across the state, leaving showers and thunderstorms, unfortunately, for the 4th of July holiday weekend. Meanwhile, we have Barry that made landfall in Mexico, and now remnants of it continue to provide some very heavy rain across eastern portions of the country. This will be the last advisory issued on this storm by the National Hurricane Center. Boaters, Miami-Dade and Broward, Biscayne Bay, a light chop, seas 2 feet or less. No advisories, though. Winds will be out of the east-southeast, and that goes for the Florida Keys as well. Seas beyond the reef anywhere between 3 to 6 feet, and coastal waters a light to moderate chop. We have a low tide happening this hour in Fort Lauderdale and in Miami. Key West, your low tide will be at 7:46 a.m. So for today, pockets of sunshine, although unfortunately upper level clouds and still some Saharan dust across the region will lead to a filtered sunshine with hazy conditions, and a few sea breeze thunderstorms will develop early afternoon. We'll keep that chance into the early evening. Otherwise, cloud cover sticks around overnight. It'll be humid. Overnight lows will be in the upper 70s to lower 80s. We'll still have an upper level low through middle of the week, so we'll see rain and storm chances, and then by the end of the week and into the holiday weekend, we'll have to watch for that developing low across northern Florida. That's your 7 on 7 forecast.